Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you is good. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the profit we made on forex trading in April month. So this is the account I am trading. This is my personal account. So here is the history of the account. You can see that. So we will discuss about the every profit and loss and the trade. So on 19th and 22 I deposit $20,000 on the TMGM account, and after that I took the trade with the 0.01 lot on BTC, but I closed it in $0.83 profit because I am just testing, and again took the trade on BTC for the testing, and again I am in the profit of $94, and I cut it down. On 23 April I took the trade on gold. You can see that I also give this trade on the premium group of forex, and you can see that I already made a video about that. $4,200 of profit I booked on this. You can see that here, and I already showed that on the video, and I already explained the logic of this trade in that video, so you can go and check the video. After that I took another trade and booked the profit of $1,387 with the one lot. You can see that my quantities is fixed. I don't go randomly with the over quantity, so my quantity is fixed. Only trade with the one lot. My risk management says that I have to take the one lot, so I will take the one lot. So $1,300 profit, and after that you can see that I took the loss of $500, and after that again I booked the profit on 23 $1,300. Okay, so from 23 to 28 I don't took any trade. On 28 I took the trade. I think this trade on live. My loss is minus $370. You can see that here the loss is minus $370, and after that this trade I gave in the premium, and personally I took this trade because this trade giving a breakout in the 1 hour time frame. So from support I took this trade, and this trade gives me $5,500 of profit. So you can see that my losses are very small and my profits are very big. So that's the risk management works. So this management is always prior in the forex or crypto market. So $5,500. After that you can see that I have a loss of $644 and $1,051. So overall $1,700 of loss I took on 29. Next day I will took the trade, and you can see that $2,022 of profit I took from next day on 30. So trading in this account I started in last quarter of the April, and you can see that my losses are very small. Last my bigger loss is only $1,000, and my profits are very big. So you can see that 4,200, 5,500, 1,300, 1,400, $2,000 are my profit. After the taking this trade on 30, I have loss of $590 and $436. You can see that here. But after taking too many losses, one, two, three, four, five, six losses. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. 6 profit. So 50 50. I took 12 trades in this month and lost 6 trades and profit in 6 trades, but still my profit is $11,000 in April. So you can see that 11,000 of profit I booked in the gold in last 10 days. So that's how risk management works, guys. So still, if you are not our premium member in forex, so you can join our forex community. Link are given in the description, so you can check our Telegram channel, or you can directly message me on the WhatsApp. Number are shown on the screen. You can directly message me on the WhatsApp, and you will get the information about the forex and the crypto both. So risk management is always prior, guys. So overall in last 10 days I made 11,000 profit in gold trading. So you can see that most of the trading is in gold. So in forex mostly I trade gold because gold has a good liquidity, and gold price action is always looks better. So I know the behavior of the gold, that's why I trade gold most. So this is the secret strategy. So if you want to know this strategy, just join me and message me on the WhatsApp, so you can be a premium members of the forex community, and you also can copy my trades like this. Okay guys, so if you like the video and our profit and our growth, so you can like the video and comment down how much profit or loss are you making in the market. So we'll meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, see you, take care.